From the title of the video, you already know that today we're gonna talk about coffee facial. If coffee works for you, it works like magic. It exfoliates your skin, it brightens your skin, it tightens your skin, whatnot. If it doesn't work for you, it causes rashes and allergies. So make sure you have a patch test before applying it completely over your face. It's obvious that none of us wants allergies, right? So now quickly getting into the video, this video is divided into 3 units. The first one is cleansing, second is face scrub and third is face pack. For cleansing, you'll need only 2 ingredients, milk and cotton. All you have to do is dip a cotton ball in a cold raw milk and dab all over your dry skin. Milk has a unique ability to remove the oil-soluble impurities with the help of fat-soluble enzyme lipase, protein-based impurities with the help of protease, and dead skin cells with lactic acid. For making scrub, you'll need only 3 ingredients: coffee powder, lemon, and sugar. First, I'm adding 1 spoon of coffee powder and then 1 spoon of sugar. Now I'm adding some lemon juice to it. Give it a very good mix. Now your scrub is ready to use. Now take some amount of scrub and scrub it over your face gently. Scrubbing removes dead cells and adds glow to your face. It also removes acne scars. You can see my skin has started glowing already. For making face pack, you'll need only 2 ingredients, coffee powder and honey. If you have an extremely dry skin, then you can use olive oil instead of honey. First, I'm taking 1 spoon of coffee powder and then I'm adding 1 spoon of honey to it. Mix it really well. Now your face pack is ready. Apply it all over your face. I'm using my fingertips. You can use brush as well. You can see how my face is glowing. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.